Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. We are home, safe and sound, thank you Lord. And I wanted to show y'all the goodies. The goodies. One of the Potters gave us all pickles, sweet pickles, that she had put up. Let's see. I just got a few things here and there and yonder. Things that I'm going to use. This was from Uwari Stoneware. I don't think this is mine. But this is pretty. But I don't think it's mine. But okay. We'll roll with that. I got a vase from there to put in my den. How's everybody doing today? I love the crystalline with the different colors in it. Here we go, this is my piece. Beautiful, Uwari. Thank you so much for your hospitality. And let's see. Let me show y'all my bowl. Remember when I was at the Potteries the first time and they let me turn a bowl? I picked it up. It's so cute. I love it. It'll look great with butter in it or cream cheese and pepper jelly or pimento cheese in a little crock. And remember, all these are microwavable and you put them in the oven. But this is the one that I did, y'all. Ain't it cute? I know, right? Tickled to pieces, black and red. Goes great in my kitchen with my decor. Okay. Let's see. Oh, wait till y'all see this. Ooh, 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 ooh. The Potters are now following the page. So when they make mugs now, they'll say, I know you need a mug for your devotion and your coffee. And so Stephanie at Dean and Martin specially made and commissioned a cooking, cutting up, keeping it real mug. So if you love this, you can get on her site or call her and she'll make you one. It has Dolly Parton on it. I love it. And it's lightweight. Y'all are going to see this. I'm going to be drinking from this. Dishwasher safe. And Janet got one. You know what? I'm not going to unwrap Janet because she's packing. And she will need all the tissue she can get so she can get it back to Canada without breaking. Okay, got that. Yup. Okay, at the table, I got some of their homemade granola that they just made yesterday. I got 2 bags of that. And the imaginary farmer gets a treat. Cinnamon buns from the table. Love. Love, love. Love, love, love. And Dusty gave me a hat. I'll be taking this to the beach and wearing it with pride. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Thank you, Dusty. And we so enjoyed being with you guys. And with you followers, we love taking you with us. Janet, that's your mug from Stephanie. I didn't unwrap it. Okay. Because I figured you'd want all the padding you can get to pack it.
I got that right.
All right. Let's see. I'm almost done.
Let's see. Are y'all done?
I'm almost done. Let's see. Okay, I need to save these receipts. I've got this open so far. Was this for you?
That, I don't know about.
That was from Uwari. Did you buy something from Uwari?
No, you must have bought that.
Okay, well, I love it. Perfect. Who knows? Okay, let me finish mine, then you can show them yours, Janet. Oh, this was a gift. This is what I got from Lady Mary. And I have the cooking, cutting up. You know what? This is going to be our promotional. I'm going to mail you one of these cooking, cutting up teas. If you like, share, and comment this particular video, we'll pick a winner by midnight tonight. Please remind me, Janet. And we'll mail you one of those cooking, cutting up real teas. I'm almost done. Bobby from Thomas Pottery gave Janet and I both a goodie bag. Let's see what's in it. Some goodies to eat. What is that, Janet?
It's baked stuff.
It is baked stuff.
It's baked goodies.
Oh, wow. I'm not sure what that is, but it's goodies.
Those are those little profiterole things that
Profiterole.
Profiterole.
Profiterole. I'm excited about that. Thank you, Bobby. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And almost lastly, let me just see here. I got 2 more bags. 3 more bags to go. Okay, this was also a gift bag. This is my Lady Mary stuff. Yes, that's my tea. I'm not going to bore y'all with that. Here's another pickle. Okay, here's a piece of pottery. Oh, this ain't mine.
What is it?
This is Vicky's.
Okay.
That's Vicky's. Vicky bought this. That's hers, though. That's not mine. She has more money to spend than me.
She has what?
She has more money to spend than me. All right, let me put this over here for her.
She'll love that comment.
My brother will, too. Okay. Okay, y'all are going to love this. I love this. This was at Eck. And they were collaborating with another artist today. Y'all are definitely going to see this on my table. My tablescape. Love that. Love it. Love it. Hand painted. Love it. And my last reveal is... Lord, Janet, we're going to take the garbage out. My last reveal... Oh, wait. I also bought a tumbler from Eck Pottery in Seagrove. So cool. And they mix their clays, different colors of clays. Y'all are going to love this. It's going to look great in my kitchen. Ta-da! Love it, love it, love it, love it. Love, love, love. I'll be washing those and using them. And I think that's it for me, yeah? Oh, wait. Last one. Last one. This. Oh, from Bobby. I'm going to be mixing stuff up in this, y'all. This is from Thomas Pottery. A little mixing bowl with a spout and a handle. I love this. It matches my other stuff I got from her. She gave me some tea. And it came with this little whisk. Is that not cute or what? Janet, you want to show yours?
I do.
All right, I'm done. I'm going to get out of the way.
So first, Lisa,
Yes.
come put your hat on, girlfriend.
Okay. I will.
Right here.
Oh, yes. I'm going to take mine to the beach. The table. I got so much hairspray in my hair, I don't know if it'll seep down. I didn't wash my hair last
Yeah,
night.
that's from the table.
Table.
Now, I promised Alexa that I would do the reveal.
Oh, yes.
So she gifted me. Ta-da!
That's beautiful.
It's a tumbler.
She has great reds in her shop.
She does.
Yeah.
And look,
I'm going to see what the viewers are saying.
it was, everything just kind of took my breath away. Started off
Hey,
when
was this yours?
Yes, and I haven't shown you.
That's cute.
Started off that Heart of North Carolina presented me with their bag, the Heart of North Carolina backpack, and it was filled with goodies. A pen that Lisa and I love. Sorry, I've got gum in my mouth. And yeah, and they even helped me with some of my purchases today, so that was amazing.
Love it.
And it even has a drink bottle on the side. So that was the beginning of the day, and then I went.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I went into Crystal. Help me out, Crystal King.
Crystal King.
And I was looking at the mugs, and I took this up to the cash to pay for it, and she was like, "No, no, no, this is a gift to you for all you do for us for social media." And I love the color. I love the drippiness of it. It reminds me of being next to the ocean, which is where I come from. And it's just gorgeous. I love the handle on it. Good grip for me. All right, so that's those two.
I think this is your bag too, Jen.
You think this is mine too?
I think so.
So I feel like I have Crystal and
Alexa.
And then somewhere in here, there's something from Bobby. Oh, right here. Here's the Bobby Thomas
Oh, that's beautiful.
piece that I got.
Mm-hmm. Gorgeous.
Isn't it? It's beautiful. And it's in that same color scheme that Lisa gravitated towards, and that will go good with the coloring of my house. Mm-hmm. The last place that we were, help me out with the names, Lee.
Blue Hen.
Yeah. Here's with a bumblebee on it. I was looking for tiny things to fit in my suitcase to travel home with. I came with half a carry-on full of clothes, and the second half of the carry-on I'll be using my clothes to wrap up these. So that's my little creamer for my coffee each day.
That's adorable.
And then there will be my mug that's like this, that's still wrapped up with the Cook and Cutting Up on the bottom from Stephanie Martin. So,
and then show this too.
There's 5 pieces of pottery to take
Crystal King gave me that.
It takes 2 of us to figure all this out. Crystal King and a candle.
Yes, love it.
When I went, one of the places gave me the peach apricot.
That was delicious.
Tea.
The teas at every spot were delicious.
I believe that might have been from Bobby's. I hope I don't have that messed up. Then at Carriage House, when we had our luncheon there, we each had a gift bag of 3 different teas. The top one is the blend that Mary made for Cook and Cutting Up, specific to us.
And you can go on her website and order it. And it
was
was delicious.
Cook and Cutting Up and Keeping It Real Peach Blueberry Black Tea. So that's the top one. She has an angel that she crocheted in the bag. She said was so thoughtful with all the little details. And at her shop, I had seen Lisa use something like this for her loose tea. Mm-hmm. And I like the design of it. Mm-hmm. It seems to stay closed well, and so the leaves don't tend to float out into your tea. So it's a little tea baller that opens up. It's got the little holes in the top, and it's flexy. It will come up over the handle, the rim of your cup. I got a can of the Carriage House tea blend that is a cranberry. And then I had a whole lesson on matcha tea, and I got a chai flavored matcha, which you don't use a tea baller for, you just whisk with a whisk. And that's got...
It's powder.
It's got a lot going on in that, and I took a screenshot, or took a photo of the explanation of the matcha tea. So I'll be eventually putting that on the page so that you can learn what I learned, if you don't already know it, about the matcha.
So be watching. I'm going to turn the camera around and just answer any questions.
There were pickles. We're going to eat them here. Not going to take those in my suitcase and have them break all over my clothes. And the box of we each got a box of these baked goods from Bobby. So yeah, it kind of just goes on and on.
Yeah, and everywhere we went today, they had 2 teas and lots of snacks.
A lot of the snacks were from the table.
At each stop. I have got to go to the Potteries. Yes, Debbie, we had such a good time. We're going to unload our loot. I did decide on something for supper for the imaginary farmer. I'm going to do a chicken casserole, easy. Maybe a chicken cobbler. Anyway.
We have to shout out our 2 hosts.
Yes, from Heart of North Carolina Visitors Bureau. Amber, you were wonderful. Thank you so much. And Melody. And we had such a great time. Hey, Ruth, y'all some sweet souls, she says. Thank you, Ruth. Thank you for taking us along. We have more videos, Angela, so stay tuned.
Coming up. And
Janet's going to start working on this probably while I take a nap.
I'll be on there. I'll be trying to get rid of all those crazy spammers that have been on there the last 24 hours.
Listen, ignore them.
Ignore them. I'll be working on it.
They are getting those through the Potteries as well, so just ignore them.
And we also want to say thank you not only to Pam and Kim, who joined us and followed us the whole
Tennessee.
route. Came all the way for this.
Had such a good time.
We also want to shout out to other people who we ran into at the table, at the Potteries, who walked across the floor to say hello to us because they recognized us from the page. And they were lovely. And we had a great video today with Dusty Gregson from the table. That we're going to post. That gives y'all her story. Summer, the colorful mugs came from Dean and Martin. Mm-hmm. So anyway, thanks for following along, guys. We will see you soon. And I will be, I don't know,
I may blog tonight. I'm gonna do chicken
You
cobbler.
know we never stop.
I know. Well, I'm gonna stop for the next 2 hours and relax the body
She
down.
be napping. She be napping. I be texting.
I have to, or I just cannot keep going all day, especially in these summer days. They're longer.
You know,
And
Lisa slept in this morning 2 hours. She didn't wake up until 6, not 4.
Actually, I woke up at 2:32 and I looked at the clock and I thought, I gotta get up. Oh my gosh. And then I thought, okay, go back to sleep because you're in a hotel room with Vicky and you don't want to wake her. And then when I did get up, it was about 5:45 and I had my alarm set for 6:15. So I just went in the bathroom and got myself ready and tried to stay quiet. So anyway, thanks for following along. There'll be more to come. And I'm so thankful Janet was able to stay a little longer and go with me. And we will see you guys soon. Love you, mean it. And we are out. And I'm taking a nap. Bye now.
Bye.